Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Tacoma tailgate. First, locate the handle, usually found in the center of the tailgate. Grasp it firmly with one hand. Then, pull the handle upwards or outwards to disengage the latch. Gently lower the tailgate until it rests in its fully open position. It's a simple process once you know the steps, ensuring easy access to your truck bed every time. Sometimes a tailgate might seem stuck. First, check for any items in the truck bed or around the tailgate that could be blocking its movement. Also, confirm that your tailgate isn't locked. Some Tacoma models have a key lock or power lock feature. If it feels stiff, try applying gentle, even pressure to the tailgate while operating the handle. This can sometimes free a sticky latch. To keep your tailgate operating smoothly, a little maintenance goes a long way. Periodically lubricate the hinges and the latch mechanism with a suitable spray lubricant. This helps prevent rust and ensures easy movement. Regularly clean any dirt or debris that might accumulate around the latch area. If you find yourself struggling, never force the tailgate. Investigate the cause first. A tailgate assist shock can also make lowering much smoother. Safety is paramount when using your tailgate. Always double-check that it's fully closed and securely latched before you start driving to prevent accidents. When loading your truck bed, try to distribute heavy items evenly to avoid putting undue stress on the tailgate. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially children and pets, when opening or closing it. And remember, never stand directly behind the tailgate as it lowers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.